So, good morning, guys.
Morning.
I trust we are all good.
Yes.
Okay, so the topic we are looking at today is water cycle. And water is one of the most important compound on earth. Without water, there is no life. So we all need water to exist. Now, can someone remind us of the chemical formula for water? H2O, right?
Yes.
So
Oxygen and
hydrogen. So you have
oxygen and hydrogen.
two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So that is the elemental composition of water. Now, water mainly exists in three phases, right? Can anyone remind us of those three phases that water can exist in?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Very good. Now, can someone give me an example of solid water?
Solid water is something that's solid.
Solid, like ice.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, liquid water is just your common water, right?
Like, yeah. And gas is
And gas is vapor, like water vapor. Now, it's important for us to understand something called change of. So, from time to time, water changes, right, from solid, liquid, and gas. Sometimes water can change from solid to liquid, sometimes from solid to gas, sometimes from gas
liquid.
liquid, and so on. Now, let's look at the names of those change of state. Now, the first one that is very important is evaporation. Evaporation. Can any one of you tell me what evaporation is?
Water to steam.
Very good. So it means liquid water to gaseous water. A very good example will be if you are boiling your water in a kettle for tea or coffee in the morning, right? You would note that once the water starts boiling, the liquid water changes to gas, water vapor. So that is evaporation. Then the almost exact opposite of evaporation is condensation. Who can tell me what condensation is?
Yeah. Gas to liquid.
Very good. Gas to liquid, right? Like you have in the formation of cloud, right? So the water vapor in the atmosphere, which is vapor, changes to liquid. And that step is a precursor to precipitation, to rainfall. Then another process here is melting. Melting. So it's another change of state. So what does melting involve?
Ice turning into water.
Very good. So that is solid to liquid. Right? For example, if you remove your ice from the freezer, over the time it turns
To
liquid. So let's look at freezing. Freezing. What does freezing involve?
Liquid to solid.
Very good. Liquid to solid. So that is freezing. Alright. So we also look at two other change of states, and that will be the end of this class. And those two change of state will be sublimation and deposition types of change of state, and those are sublimation. Sublimation. Can you pronounce that word?
It's
Sublimation.
Yeah.
Sublimation.
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 Can someone tell me something about sublimation? What is sublimation? What do you understand by sublimation? Okay, we learnt it in one of our